day 6 of building Detacha in public. We have made a lot of user experience changes. So as you register for the first time, you see this onboarding flow. Few questions to get kind of user, the state of the user. And we also tested the verification email and the welcome email, looking pretty neat. Then you start day 1. Now as you start, you open the chapter and you see the actual chapter. Then you have to kind of come down and click here when you are ready. So here you see the guided inquiry. Then we made a deliberate choice that once you have read the guided inquiry, you sit with this. So it starts a timer of 2 minutes, and we are not showing countdown because the mind gets kind of focused on the countdown. So we are just showing in a subtle way that you have to wait for 2 minutes to unlock the reflections. And let me show how the reflections look. So here I have already completed that chapter. So let's go to learn and open day 2. So here you see the reflections that unlocks after 2 minutes, practical insights. And then you answer your reflections, you type your reflections, like what did you actually notice, what resisted being looked at, did anything become clearer. And one neat thing that we did was to save the content, save the lines. So if you like this line, you double click and then click save, and it gets saved at this insights, where you can see that yesterday you watched, and then it gets highlighted again over here. So a lot of changes that we made. Now the next thing in the next update will be locking them, so that only one chapter is unlocked one at a time. There is a gap between gap of 24 hours. We also seeded the data. So we have this seeder file where we have uploaded about 100 chapters. The chapters were created through multiple iterations of Claude and ChatGPT, and we also added weekly content. So let's say once you complete all days, 7 days, then you get one summarized kind of thread touching the entire topics that we touched in a week. So yes, it's looking pretty neat. A few more polishing things will go on, and then we'll be ready to deploy. All right, for day 6. Thank you. Bye.